how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. So first off, we want to enter the Twitter app. Here, press on your icon in the top left corner. From here, we want to press on Settings and Support. Then scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. Okay, now select the fourth option, which is Privacy and Safety. Then here we want to select the third option, Content Use C. Okay, so first off, we want to tick this option, display media that may contain sensitive content. And then when it comes to the search settings, we want to press on the very last option as well. And basically we want to disable hide sensitive content. Okay, so now you should be able to see nudity and whatever it may be that you want to see on Twitter. So if we go back, it should save our settings. And now this way you can see sensitive content on Twitter. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.